Multiply 256 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 5 plus the carried 1 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. The first partial product is 512. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 2 is 2. The second partial product is 2560. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the tens column, 1 plus 6 is 7. In the hundreds column, 5 plus 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 2 plus the carried 1 is 3. The whole negative number product is 3072. So 256 times 12 is 3072.